بسم الله هدان الجبل قد القاف كيدرين كسارين طلبتي هدان لجمر تندري قان موقن ماشي دحصونات هدان لجو دقيقين دوقتي هدان لجو لفكورين دخير دي راجي قرر لجمع مالو تحود فرمية شاني عند ريرشو عو كلام درب تصافي إن كستو درمان قروح سريو ده حويرو أما هو أمان ده حدو دولة كويرة هدو هذا اللي جه هديق أيه دبع سنة وفيعن دون حريرة يشال هدو ذهب كساسارو ترندر أيه رجاجه هاي دمع ويابه هدي أنا ضو خاجة نقول وطريق حرام هدو داروا وين دصاد بغي كوتشحو دردان ومرايا دمانة دي كوديرو سنعدي الدنبيسي هدو دلبك كوك هنو نفتو وحير دون يسوي درجة صوصارو مسنا أنا ضو خاجة نقول وطريق حرام إن كستو هدون دوري الدنيا لغو شيغو إن كستو دلقات بدن يهو ديقس لغو شيغو دوب يو ملاقو يهو دوچا لغو شيغو تقريقا يو ماستريقا هو درچا وين هايستو تقريقا يو قرآن كبه هدو دينتا يهاي حافظ وآنو دو خاقا نقون وطريق حرام إن كستو دي العشاق قلبي قدابا كو حردايو حديدادا دلدلايا ودنها دلايا ديقودا دهريقا إيا لاقتبا كو قرى ديقا مقعاقا ديوانكي علمو كلا قلو داري كلا لادو سوغانتا دوغا مرتدا دماشي كو قادو ديوانكا هيساها انتا درم قراعايو بسنا آنو دو خاقا نقون هدي و دالحيس كوغو درو دوني دا قود كيدا ديارة هودا ساري هداد كلا دمان شادو ديراد iyo cawshiyo ugaar quruxda daawuska doog iyo cagaar soo ifbaxay darinta ku daadsho ama daalo oo roobku helay dalawo ku maalo oo doobi ku buuxiyo kuna daryeelayo deyrtiyo gugaba ku doo adiga ku deexdo daruur hortay uu ku noqdiyo malabka deecaanka daruur hortay uu ku noqdiyo malabka doocaanka hadii aanu dookhaaga noqon waa dariiq in kastuu darwiish adag yihiyo geesi diriraya in kastuu darwiish adag yihiyo geesi diriraya diraca iyo wiil hoog yaho dagala naafeeyo obka diraca iyo wiil hoog yaho dagala naafeeyo dumbuqa iyo qorigaba si too diirada u saaro halka lagu dagaalamo haduu doorar ka ciyaaro ama uu daqiiqa iyo duubiyada gooyo oo aanu dookhaaga noqon xeeriya duuban oo duqus leh oo geeda lagu daadshay hilbaduban kuwii diiranaa qaardux lagu shiilay daboolkiyo lingaxa lagu xidho oo ummi lagu daaray ubadii dahaadhnayd haddii deeqa lagu siiyo haddaan milix yar lagu daadinayn kaama daadago dookhana sidaas oo kale aan loo dirqiyahayne damiirkaagu meeshaanu rabin dooni kari maysa
I love this poem. I think it's absolutely wonderful. Taste. If this poem isn't free of flaws or clunkiness, if it contains disharmony or defects, if it doesn't illuminate what's hidden and isn't used to staunch old injuries, its verses won't nourish our withered breast. Let me recite this with spirit. It's night, it's time. Though he may call you fair names, a lovely mare, and praise you up onto a pedestal, all-powerful, and slip soothing words in your ear, sweet to hear, spoil you with silken dresses, robe you in gold, dazzle your eyes, and make desire rear up, if he's not to your taste, he's just a blocked path. Though he may place you in a skyscraper and fill your world with glass or fashion or your demands, arriving at your door with every whim, if he's not to your taste, he's just a blocked path. Though he's said to be wealthy with a portfolio of property and is known for his patience and generosity, and like a tribal chief is spoken of with honour and has his master's degree and letters after his name and is well versed in the holy, knows the Quran's words, if he's not to your taste, he's just a blocked path. No matter that he wears his heart on his chest and shows you the blood, beat in his veins and prints your name on his skin and writes love poems like Ilmi from the Edge and sings enchanted ancient lyrics full of wisdom, pounding drums for your healing songs. If he's not to your taste, he's just a blocked path. Though he takes you on a tour around the world and wants you by him on the plane and shows you fountains and pulsing streams in places teeming with deer, antelope, peacock and lays carpets for you on lush, low grass and takes you to stunning Darlo just after rain and gives you bowls of camel milk, wanting your comfort, wanting to look after you through spring and autumn, conjuring rain clouds and Yemeni honey. If he's not to your taste, he's just a blocked path. Though he might be a sacred dervish, a fighter for God, a fearless young man who can destroy dark forces, skillful with guns, never missing his target, commended for bravery in battle, who crushes his enemies and tears up their bodies, if he's not to your taste, he's just a blocked path. You might be treated to a bowl of spiced food, barbecued meats and meats cooked with fat, steamed to perfection underneath a tight lid, or a ghee pot with its beautifully crafted case. But if there's no salt to season, you won't eat with relish. Taste cannot be won by compulsion. You cannot go against your own heart.
allow aanan ku waayin adna aadani waayin oodan guuldha xamoonin oonan goorxun gablaynin taas waa iga taa dukalanse hayaa wada dhashaa wada dheela wada dhashaa dhabdhableeya wada dhashaa dhulka maaxa wada dhashaa isdharbaaxa allow aanan ku waayin adna aadani waayin oonan guuldha xamoonin oonan goorxun gablaynin gacaloy geella waayay wadaay